Aqui.
So you speak Spanish and what other language?
Português, like
Portuguese. Okay.
Português in Portugal, my country.
Okay.
But I speak Italy because I was in Italy for 5 years. Agora, isso aqui tira aqui. So, what is português in Italy?
Okay.
That you stay. Só duas, amor. Segura outra, põe lá.
How old are you?
Guest.
47.
Almost there. No, it's 56.
56? Okay.
I'm older, so
You got a young girlfriend.
yeah, no, old men, I like young girls,
Yeah,
man.
most old men do, you know?
Yeah, it's like jiggy.
Very expensive. Very expensive, buddy. That's right.
It's true.
You will
it's
definitely pay the price, baby.
True. Yeah, I have to pay the price. Good.
Really
Fala da mulher nova, nós vamos pagar o preço. Cadê o banho para frente?
Não tô achando não, 8 não. É o 18 ou o 8?
See if this jacket fits in.
Esse aqui é o B. B de bola.
Hey, try this jacket on.
É esse aqui, ó.
Ok.
Try that on.
Look nice.
Nice. Esse aqui que é o preço.
Olha aí.
I used to sell clothes.
You sell clothes before?
Mm-hmm.
Nice.
Nice. Okay.
Yeah, it's good for here. Here not too hot like Philadelphia.
Mm-hmm. Oh, shit. It fit?
Fit a little bit tight here,
Yeah.
but it's okay.
That's a gift for you.
No, it's tight.
It's tight?
Yes.
What about for your wife? See if she fit it.
Me?
Because we have 1,000 clothes, you can imagine, for winter, because you come from New Jersey, Philadelphia, and all are very cold.
Oh, yeah, that's perfect.
Yeah.
You like it?
Like it.
Okay, you can have it.
Oh,
Yeah, thank
You're
you.
welcome. You're welcome.
thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Aí eu vou agora procurar a letra B de bola.
Eu já achei ela aqui, ó.
Então guarda aqui dentro, a blusa.
Deixa eu guardar a camisa. Esse.
Gracias.
Obrigado.
Obrigado. Obrigado. That's Portuguese?
Em português.
All right, I'm speaking Portuguese now. All right, y'all, it's your boy BishopLo on the go. Getting this computer desk put together. I'm going, y'all. Church.